All right, so let's get this. Let's see visualization. This is the axle, hence, which is also the axis. This is an arbitrary point that's pointing at the axle. Look, if I rotate 180 degrees, look, it's on the other side of the axle. Look, 90-degree turn, still pointing at the axle. Look, it's back to the original point, pointing at the axle. Back to 180 degrees, other side of the axle. Look, it's going around, but it's always facing the same direction. Now, if I imagine that this is the North Pole, and I'm looking north, which is going to be this way, as I rotate around, I'm always going to be looking at the North Pole. At what point does the North Pole rotate around me? Look, 180-degree turn, I'm on the other side of the North Pole. Look, 180 degrees, I'm on the other side of the North Pole. Now, if I look at the refrigerator, same thing. I can imagine a point on that refrigerator where the North Pole will be. Let's say it's about there. Not exact, but close enough. That's how it works. At what point are those points moving around me? Those points are, I'm always going to be moving around that point. Now, if I'm looking at that paper, then yes, that paper is going to be moving around me. But this is the axis. This is the axle. I am always going to be moving around it. That is also the axis, or the axle. It is always going to be moving around it. What point do I move? Does it move around me? Look, I can have it rotate around the bottom of the frame. Or I can have it rotate around the top of the frame. That point is always determined by where this axle is pointed at. That's how it works.